Click Box Select, then click and drag to draw a rectangle around the dragonfly. Release the mouse button and the dragonfly is surrounded by a selection box with white handles. Click Resize. The handles on the selection box become blue. The blue handles indicate that when the size of the embroidery is changed, it will be resized. The stitches are recalculated to maintain the original density. Note the number of stitches in the embroidery. You can see this in the information panel on the Design tab or in the control strip. Click Modify Block. The Modify Block dialog box appears. In the Size section, change height and width to 125%. Click Apply. The dragonfly increases in size. The number of stitches is increased from 4,351 to approximately 4,560. A larger size will be more suitable for cutwork. Close the Modify Block dialog box. Left-click outside the Select box to deselect the stitches.